Alright guys, I thought I'd go ahead and film this one for the heck of it, mainly because Boone's being a good boy as always, but I told him to stay on the quad while I cut down this tree. The center fork of this oak is all dead. It's leaning out that way, a top broke out and it's hung up in the other one. So I undercut it, back cut a little bit. I got the tractor resting on it, and I'm just gonna tickle it a little bit and get back in the machine and push it over. I didn't quite cut it enough so that it would just do what I want with the tractor. So yeah, that'll give you a good view. That right there, that's what I can appreciate about a putty dog. Look at him. Even after I say good boy, he still stays there. Oh, yeah, good boy. Yeah, good man. Dead since we bought the place, but I figured now is as good a time as any, since parts of it, you can see the top that blew out over here and got stuck in that one. Luckily it came out. Thought about just taking the whole thing out and making more parking spot, but we'll see how these last. Can't complain about more shade. As it came down, it rolled and fell out that way. I was aiming it right down the center. So it hit right where I wanted. There's an old dish over there, it's not even in use. I wouldn't even, if I would have landed on it, I would have been fine with it. But I'll probably have to go grab the excavator. Don't want to make any quick work out of this. Excavator's down there. I just used a little Kubota to push it over right here because that's what I was driving. We got her done though. Look at that rotten thing. Just the impact broke the top even more out. What a piece of crap. Probably take it down right over there and mulch it up. What do you think, Boone? Excavator gets her done. Glad that's here. I probably wouldn't have touched this today if the excavator wasn't here. I think I want to cut that fork that's like parallel with the ground off. Let that one go, but I don't want to get up on the forks or something. I'll wait till I grab a pole saw, come down here. I don't have one today, so. Need to mulch that stuff up, but first I'm gonna adjust my forks. Use these bad boys and pack this firewood down the hill. Good wood, plus that would take forever to mulch it. I'm gonna bring the 12 up here to mulch it because I got blacktop driveway. I'm not gonna drive Prime Tech up here. And I'm not gonna pack all this stuff all the way down the bottom of the hill. You know, it's more trouble than it's worth. I'll just come up here and mulch it right here on the side of the drive. And, you know, let's get it. guys like that, I'd rip that DirecTV thing out, but can't get the wire out of the ground. They buried it deep enough, couldn't get it. I haven't used these forks so much on this machine. Use them a bunch on the 12 skid steer, and that thing works good. I'm not about to take the mulcher head off and put it on these forks on the 12 just to move this mount. It'll be enough I can, let's say it feels unstable, but it feels a little weird. Got extra weights in the tires. Pretty sure they're filled with water or whatever you put in it. Now I'll get the mulcher and go up there and grind that crap up and be done. Not about to just leave it, wait to burn it. I don't want to sit around a burn pile and prefer to burn out. I just grind it up right now. Hop down, boo. I gotta unload the trailer anyway. I'm gonna take a little rig tomorrow. Now I need the big trailer for the little rig. Well, ended up fighting myself too much because I didn't take the time and get the firewood out. I ground up a couple bigger pieces of firewood, but I just pushed that one out of the way. I got some stuff to take care of tonight, but I'm gonna have to start utilizing this parking spot up here. That was the main reason I wanted to take that tree out, because it got gravel up here where I parked down below. There was a lot of dirt movement before we bought the place. I had to clean up a lot of stuff, the bank did, and down there it's pretty muddy. So up here, I didn't know it when we bought the place because it was all covered in leaves, like right here. But this whole area is nice and graveled, and it's, you know, solid. So I probably shouldn't have turned the 12 near as steep as I did right there, but I have to start parking some stuff up here so that I'm not mudded out. I had to put it in four-wheel drive a couple times down there, but get this tree out of there. That way I can trust parking some stuff up here. I'm obviously not going to park it directly underneath these goofy leaners, but normally you get some stuff going on like this. You get three of them, one breaks off, then the other two are weak, and then all three of them just fall in opposite directions, whatever way they're leaning. So get that nasty one out of there. It's still pretty solid at the base, but yeah, I'd hate to cut the whole tree down, but not very good looking tree as far as safety. But good old 12. A little bit different than running a Prime Tech, but she still gets it done. You just got to be patient It's hard to do. You just want to get something done and go on to the next thing. For a skid steer, that thing is a champ. Compared to the 12 or the Prime Tech, if you had Prime Tech power on that thing, you would be a freaking stud. Looking to get a smaller trailer so I could do smaller jobs with a little bit more ease, so I don't have to take the new trailer or the other old trailer on. I don't need a gooseneck really to haul that. Depending on what variation I'm working on building one for next year, I think it'd be pretty slick. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed a little after hours work at the house. Boone, he's been hanging out with me the whole time, riding in the tractors, or he sits on the quad and watches. He's down there checking out what I did. This will be the part where you get a minion to come out here and clean all this stuff up. I wish my tenants were awesome. They could come out here and do this, but they just make a mess everywhere they go. If you guys are thinking about renting out a room in your house, be careful. Be careful. I'll say that much. Sometimes the money isn't quite worth the effort. But anyway, guys, if you're looking at getting a dog, Australian Shepherd, those are killer dogs right there. I'll tell you what. We'll see you guys on the next one. Hit them buttons for me. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Not bad for an hour project. Later on.